Odometer gears on 126 and 107. Well, by now I'm sure most of you have a 126 or a 107 produced after 1980 have had an odometer gear failure. So we're going to talk about the different odometer gear combinations on the 126 series and what actually goes bad. So in my hand here from Garagistic, I have a set of odometer gears for a 300 SD. I have a 12-tooth drive gear, I have a 12-tooth intermediate gear, and then my E3 gear is 12 teeth. These gears, once you pull the odometer out, fit behind this cover. The little one, the littlest gear in here, which you may not be able to see, is actually is a brass insert that VDO installed. And so you have to crimp the brass insert with a pair of wire cutters, and then it magically slides off the shaft. But the rest of this is plug and play. So we've had a lot of questions over the years about which E3 gear is used in which model, and I'm going to go over that now. If you have a 1981 to 85 300 SD, you have an E3 gear of 12 teeth. That is the last gear that's driven on this top shaft that drives the main column of numbers. If you have a gas 126 model for the US market, 300 SE, 560 SEL, 420 SEL, I'm pretty certain that the E3 gear is going to be a 16 tooth. If you have an early gas 126 series car for the US market, I'm pretty sure it's also a 12 tooth, but I could be wrong. And if you have a 300 SDL, a 350 SD or SDL, your E3 gear is going to have 15 teeth. Now let's talk about the European cars and the 500E. Almost all the European market cars I've seen 280 SLs, 380 SLs, 500 SLs, as well as the Galinda wagons that used this setup, took a 17 tooth E3 gear, and the 500E and 400E also took a 17 tooth E3 gear. If you have a 1981 300 TD wagon, which also uses an electric odometer, only an 81, it takes the 12 tooth E3 gear. So I hopefully haven't missed anything on here, but I might have. And again, if any of the information is incorrect, I'm sorry, but I just wanted to make this video as a quick reference for which E3 odometer gear to use, and last but not least, where the gears actually go in the odometers and where they fail. This is the same in all 124s, 107s, and 126s, and the instrument clusters simply pop out of the dash. These unscrew. This odometer assembly unscrews with 4 flathead screws, and boom, you're out. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop us a little comment, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. And that way we can continue to produce great content that's geared directly towards the needs of our subscribers. Thank you, and enjoy driving your Mercedes Benz.